Today, we're going to learn how we can install Unreal Engine in your computer. First, click on the link given in the description and you will be directed to this website of Epic Games. First, we have to download this Epic Games launcher, so click on download. Meanwhile, let's see what Epic Games launcher offers us. In Play, we can see we can play games like Fortnite, Rocket League, Fall Guys, and in Create, we can see Unreal Engine, Create in Fortnite, MetaHuman, Twinmotion, and many more. Some of you may already know about these applications. After installation is completed, click on Open. After you click on Open, you will see this pop-up where you need to drag and drop the Epic Games launcher in the applications folder. It might be different in a Windows computer. After that, let's press Command Space and type Epic Games Launcher. Let's run the Epic Games Launcher application and it will take some time to download updates. After the downloads is completed, it will show you to sign up or sign in. I already have Epic Games connected to my Google account, so I'm just going to log in by Google. After the login is successful, you can close the browser and go to your application. You can see it will ask you to provide your date of birth. Just fill in the blanks, then hit continue. Then it will ask you to write your email. So just put in your email. It will ask some access to your files, so just allow it. Then our Epic Games is finally installed. Now let's go to Unreal Engine. I already have some files because I've used Unreal Engine before. In your case, you will only see the Unreal Engine versions. If we drop down the menu, we can see that we have 3 different options to download. There is UE5 Early Access, which we're not going to download right now because Early Access are quite buggy. So let's download the latest version, the stable version, which is 4.26.2. If you want to test out the Unreal Engine 5 Early Access, you can download that too. Let's click on Install. If you open the Downloads tab, you can see the speed of download, read and write, and the percentage of installation completed. After the installation is completed, let's click on Launch, which will launch our Unreal Engine. But if you see an error of you've not agreed the license of Xcode, all you can do is you can copy and paste the code they gave you in your terminal. Press Command Spacebar and type terminal and paste the given code into your terminal and press enter. It will ask you some questions. Just type yes or enter. As you can see, initialization process is started and eventually Unreal Engine has also opened. If you've learned something new today, hit that like button.